What's good, y'all? It's your boy Roy. We back. That paint hidden. Sheesh.
Yeah, drop the top and I'm swerving the bins. Name ring bells and it's her on your ends. Rocks in my fist like I'm serving again. It was do or die, homie, never certain.
All right, y'all, we walking in. We had to park all the way outside because got here a little late. Woo. Ooh. Man.
So bad, bro.
You need to get one.
I need a cue so bad, bro.
Sheesh. Got the TEs. Little drag pack. Something slight.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Sheesh. Got the carbon buckets, of course.
That's cheap. I should have been you. I'll do that for free. What do you mean?
Clean.
Yeah, but you don't got haircuts.
Sheesh. Clean spec. Yes. Sheesh. Man. Clean 890. Yes, sir. Got the Booper. Just met him yesterday, that's funny. Clean. Clean FD. Yo, what is this?
We had a swap meet, bro.
We had a what?
We had a swap meet, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I know y'all. Chinese markets and Asians. Hey, bro. Hey, man.
That's good.
We got the
She looking at extensions like she naming the file, I swear. I'm introverted at heart without a question. But not fitting in with the pride. I think that we can tell you my current rate of progression. Staying true to my convictions and making my mama proud, and it's rare. I live the highs to the hills, my hope is certain. Through the highs and lows, I know that my father is steady working. And lately I
Ladies and gentlemen, have your attention, please. My name is Officer Newell with the Chandler Police Department. If you are parked over at the hospital, they are starting to tow cars, so you may want to go get it and move it.
Clean. Sick little duper. Yeah.
Everybody had it all figured out. All the hey, look who showed up. These are nice too, though. I like them a lot. I like the. You better go over there right now and pick up your car. We got plenty of parking at the very back of our parking lot, or you can go down to Compass.
They say only
Do
twice a
not
year.
park over there at the Stanford
There's like some
Hospital.
straight.
That boy Jacob.
I say the white one's mine.
For real. My boy Aiden.
Yeah, Ray, we tried.
Big facts. My boy. Alright, y'all, gonna end the video right here. I hope y'all stay blessed, stay safe. I hope y'all have a good day. And as always, it's your boy Ray, and I'm out.